Most people make one huge mistake when FloatMe stops working. They immediately assume their account has been banned, or that the app is broken forever. Here's the truth: no one tells you. In most cases, the problem can be fixed in just a few minutes, if you know where to look. In this video, I'll show you the most common reasons FloatMe isn't working in 2026, and the exact steps you can take to get it working again. Whether the app won't open, your bank won't connect, or you're unable to request a cash advance, this guide will help. Let's start with the fastest fix. If FloatMe isn't loading, completely close the app and reopen it. Then check whether you're using the latest version. App updates often fix bugs and connection issues that can prevent important features from working properly. For example, Jake couldn't access his account one morning. He updated the app through his app store, logged back in, and the problem was solved within minutes. But here's the problem. Sometimes the issue isn't the app at all. It's your internet connection. Try switching between Wi-Fi and mobile data. A weak or unstable connection can prevent account information from loading correctly. Now here's where it gets interesting. One of the most common FloatMe issues involves bank account connections. If your linked bank account becomes disconnected, certain features may stop working. Open the app and check whether your banking information needs to be reconnected or verified. This is where most people fail. They ignore account notifications. FloatMe may occasionally request updated account information, identity verification, or banking permissions. If these requests aren't completed, some services may become temporarily unavailable. Another important fix is checking your eligibility status. Many users think something is broken when they can't access a cash advance. However, eligibility can change based on account activity, income patterns, or other factors reviewed by the app. In a minute, I'll show you the fix that many people overlook. Clear the app cache if you're using an Android device, or reinstall the app completely if basic troubleshooting doesn't work. Reinstalling can often resolve corrupted files and login issues. If you're still having problems, check whether FloatMe is experiencing a temporary outage. Financial apps occasionally perform maintenance or experience service interruptions that affect multiple users at once. Finally, contact FloatMe support through the app or official support channels if none of these solutions work. They can review your specific account and identify issues that aren't visible from your side. So let's recap. Update the app, check your internet connection, reconnect your bank account, verify your information, review your eligibility, and reinstall the app if needed. Most FloatMe problems are temporary and can be fixed with these simple steps. If this guide helped you solve your issue, hit the like button, subscribe for more app tutorials and financial guides, and leave a comment sharing which fix worked for you. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.